What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I told you guys yesterday that the fibs are powerful, guys. Today, we absolutely destroyed it. I'm talking about destroyed it. We've made money to the long side. We made money to the short side, all thanks to the power of the Fibonacci, guys. So today, I'm going to just be sharing with you everything. I want you to have a pen and the pad from the big today. Let's step into the war zone. First of all, let me shout out some of my members here. What's going on? Who do we have in the building today? So we have our brother Otis. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Why can't I find my mouse? There we go. Otis, Trading Wars Army. What's going on? Happy Hookers Fishing, Trading Wars Army. Brian, what's going on, brother? Marcelo, Trading Wars Army. All About Angie, Trading Wars Army. Bad Indie, Trading Wars Army. Jay Villa, Making My Own. Marcelo, Trading Wars Army. STK, Trading Wars Army. Ernesto, what's going on? Andy, Whiskey Ginger, Trading Wars Army. Xavier, let's go. Let's do this, guys. Boom. Okay. So we shall hit the replay. All right. So the first thing we want to do, guys, is always draw that previous day's high and low to give us a reference. So today we gapped down from the open. Okay. So here we go. All right. So you could see that we were gapping down. And let's go to the Twitter because I share a lot on the Twitter and you guys need to be following me. And I basically said this morning, good morning, friends. SPY gapping down this morning. I'm expecting an increase in volatility. Make sure to size down or you might not have an account left. Today is an important day to see if the institutions will buy the dip. I'm looking for a mutual trade at the open. Okay, so we started off here, guys. Let me go to the live commentary. The first thing that I took today was a 3-minute opening range breakout. And I'm going to show you how I incorporate fibs, right? I'm going to show you how I'm able to incorporate the Fibonacci with the opening range breakout to make it an even more powerful setup, all right? So hit me with a 1 if you're ready for that. Hit me with a 1 if you're ready for that. Okay, so everything all good here. Okay, so right off the morning, guys, who's awake and ready? 3 minutes ago. Going to start off with a 3-minute orb small size. So we went short at 9:33 Eastern, 8:33 Central, and I'm going to walk you through how I use the fibs with the opening range breakout in order for me to capitalize on making money. Okay, so let's go ahead and block some idiots here. Boom. Okay, continue. So here we go, guys. Here is the high and the low of the candle. So what we do right here is we measure the candle. Okay, step 1, you draw your fib from the high to the low. And with the opening range breakout, what we're doing is we're looking for where it breaks. So if it breaks to the downside, we're going to go short. And if it breaks to the upside, we're going to go long. All right. And the targets are always based on the fibs. And where we look for is the golden zone here to scale out. Okay. So we're looking for the 272, 50, 618, 786. Once I get to around the 50, which is this target right here, I will put the stop loss to break even. Okay. So here we go. So we get filled on the next candle short, goes into our profit zone. We tag the 272. Okay. And then we turn. All right. So this one, guys, still got to that little first target there. Actually, this doesn't make sense to me. Hold on a second. Oh, I'm on the 5-minute. That's why I'm like, wait, I remember we got to the 50 today. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Anyways, so there we go. Sorry about that. So let's replay again. Let me start again. Sorry. I knew that something looked weird. So let's hit the replay again. Boom. Bam. All right. So we gap down. Here's our 3-minute orb right here. So we do the same thing. The candle actually looked the same on the 3 and the 5-minute, which is pretty crazy. So we go ahead and we draw our fib again. 272 is the first target. 50, we want to get to break even. And then we're looking for all of these here to just continue to scale out. So we break through short, tag our 272, 50, 618. Right here, guys, when we got to the 50, I put the stop at break even. You'll see it here. So I said, there we go. First target hit, send the heart. Next, looking for 387.32. And then boom, target hit, stops at break even. Now who's banking with me? So I always lay out the targets for the members step by step, so we all know where we're going. And I let them know when I get to break even so that we can protect. Okay. So after this, we made a little bit more push and then we reversed immediately. And I knew today at some point that there's going to be some kind of institutional buying. Okay. I knew that was going to happen at some point. Because of the fact that we've been 6 weeks in a row red on SPY, and that's usually a good recipe for the institutions to come in. So what we did yesterday is we actually I set up a swing trade here. So I went lotto longs. Okay. I went long on SPY using the, just using the 392 calls right here. Okay. So remember yesterday I was telling you guys on the weekly chart, okay? I was like, look, we're coming down here on the weekly. If I take a Fibonacci from the high to the low, we're coming down to this 272, right? So that's exactly why yesterday I just used this open to get long on the 392 calls, okay? And you'll see by the end of the day, those are up about 25%. Okay, so even if you don't day trade, guys, make sure to check the room out because we also put lottos and we put swings, which can definitely help you guys. Hit me with a 5. Do you swing trade? Do you lotto trade? Like, do you guys do that, or most of you day traders? Hit me with a 5 if you do lottos, you do swings. Hit me with a 6 if you day trade. Hit me with a 7 if you do both. All right, and now I'm gonna go into probably one of the best plays of this is probably the best play of the month so far. I'm gonna walk you guys through this, and this is a Fibonacci leg. Okay, so let's talk through everything step by step. All right, so we started to turn the corner here, and we had a clear push up. Okay, so we had this clear vertical push up, and we knew, right? We knew that we kind of had a bias today because we knew that the market is looking to bounce today after 6 weeks down. Okay, so what do we do here? Well, we take the fib on the low and we put it to the high like this, and we're looking to get long on in the golden zone, which is 618 to 786 right there. Also include the 50. Okay, so this is your golden zone to get long. So let's go to the Discord. So this room, guys, this Fibonacci live setups room has become my most popular room, and I just launched it last week. I'm so happy that I listened to you guys because everyone kept saying, Rich, I need help drawing the fib. So I'm like, all right, we'll draw them live. Okay, so we drew the fib live. We said, here's your low, here's your high, and then we went ahead and got long on the 618 and the 786. Okay, so watch now closely. So there's your low, there's your high. So comes down here, right there. Okay, there's your fill. So we're filled here and here. Okay, 1, 2. Stop loss is the low of the day. All right, so stop loss is the low of the day right here. And my brother specifically, he likes to use the 90, which is a very it's basically a high risk, high reward trade. Okay, so we got long triple. This is the triple fib strategy. Okay, take a second and write that down. This is the triple fib strategy. Okay, so write that down right now. All right, write that down right now. And I'm going to go to his Twitter and get that ready for you guys too. And I'm going to walk you through. So we're basically doing the opposite of what the chart is doing. The chart is coming down, right? And we're buying calls. So what do you think is the advantage of doing that? Why would we want to do that, guys? Why would we want to do that? Well, think about this. The calls, right? Calls are going to be cheaper. And the more it comes down, as long as we have our stop loss below this low, we have a very good risk to reward. Okay. So Adriana says she got the triple today. It was amazing. All right. So we got filled. Boom, boom, boom. And then watch this. Bam. That's the fib. Bam. Beautiful. Right? So we called it out here. We're at the 90, sent some energy from the bulls. Boom, boom, boom. Caught it. Made the new high. All live, guys. And then here we go. This was the profit on that futures contracts. $1,447, guys. And this is our small account challenge. All right. So what day are we on in the small account challenge right now? We are on day 78 of the small account challenge, guys. Day 78. Today's profit 1447.02. Please follow my younger brother's channel. He does the fibs. He's learning the fibs and becoming a master at them right before our eyes. So make sure you follow TW Dairy, and he basically helps me run this Fibonacci room step by step, guys. We draw it live because people want it live. We draw it live, not hindsight. Okay, we draw it live, and we show the profit right here, guys. Okay, so hit me with a 7 if you like that. Does that good? Feeling good? Beautiful, guys. Is nothing better than live TV. Nothing. We do it live, guys. Anybody that's talking about a chart after it's closed and not showing you live callouts is wasting your time. Mark my words. Okay, because I've been there before. Trust me. All right. So here we go. So now, so that was the primary fib of the day. So let's go ahead and now let me just take this to the next level. I don't know if you guys are ready for this. All right. I'm about to just take this to the next level. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the Fibonacci Extreme right now. I'm going to show you all the fibs step by step, but you got to give me a 4 for the 4 horsemen and we're gonna go into this deep. This is gonna be deep. Okay. So I need you get the pen and the pad out, turn the page, put the Hennessy underneath the table. You can have that a little bit later, but right now we gotta focus because that we want to make money. I don't care what anybody else says. I'm gonna tell you, I trade to make money. I need financial freedom. I want to help my community. I want to help my parents. I want to help my friends and my family. I trade to make money. That's it. And most of you here are there. We don't care about entertainment. So we need the education that's going to get us there. You understand? So let's do this. All right. So here we go. Okay. So we already went through the first leg. So the first leg, here was our low and here was our high. Okay. So anytime we make a new high, so here's your new high. Anytime we make a new high right here, right? Then what we have to do is we have to say, okay, where are the actual possibility for the bear to come in, right? So we know the bear, the reversals are from the 272 right here to the 618. That's where we can see the bear step in, or we can be a little bit more aggressive and go from the 0.169. So we know that this whole area is a bear rejection. And guys, look, watch this, okay? So we come into the zone, okay, and all of these are scalpable. All of these are scalpable. Look, off the 272, off the 50. If you really go down to the 1 minute chart, guys, you can see that. Watch this, guys. Please pay attention. Look, you come up to the 50, you see a rejection. So you see, okay, the bear is stepping in, the bull is taking some profits. Here's a nice inside bar. That's a scalp back down. 272 inverted hammer. That's a scalp back down. So you're playing the game. Okay. So you're seeing all of that happen. Now we come up all the way to the full measured move. Let me ask you a question right now. Do you think that's a goddamn coincidence? Do you think that's a coincidence that we go 100% extension? What does 100% mean? It's if I copy and paste this move, okay? If I copy and paste it, guys, we come exactly to that same level and we crash. Why? We do it. It's all Fibonacci. It's all mathematics. Listen to me, okay? The bulls coming in here and they bought the dip here and they're selling at 100% of the last leg. It's all math, it's all algorithms, it's all robots. Don't get confused. Hit me with a 7 if you're following me there. So this is exceptional. That's why I have these extensions on the everybody always haters always try, "Oh, why do you have so many lines? Why do you have so many lines?" Each one of these lines have different purposes. It's beautiful. It's extremely beautiful. Okay? So you go up to your full measured move. That's where we reverse. Okay, so what do we do now? Well, all right, now we're coming back down. So now we have the full afternoon leg. Full afternoon leg. So what is the afternoon leg? Okay, so the full afternoon leg is from the absolute low to the high. Absolute low to the high. And remember, guys, all of these, I see some people asking questions. All of this is on my YouTube channel and in my book. Okay. So let's continue. So we have the full leg and we drew the leg as well right here. So we drew the afternoon leg as well, guys. We're doing everything for you. Trust me. We come to the 786 right there. All right. And we have this pattern is called a waterfall. It's a waterfall, meaning that the high on the way down of every candle is not being broken until we get right there. So that is another way of entering. It's called the waterfall. Okay. So waterfall, 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 waterfall. Entry is here. You can put the stop below the candle or below the low of the day. You write it back up. That's called a candlestick confirmation. All right. And I teach all of this in detail. So that's a waterfall entry. So now you guys are going to say, okay, all right, the fibs are doing good. But always remember this, my friends. For every bear, there's going to be a bull. For every bull, there's going to be a bear. For every night, there's going to be a day. You see what I'm saying here? So you have to remember, once we have a clear bear leg, so this is a push down. It's clear. It's visible. Once we have that push down, you need to always understand that this creates another fib on the other side. It's called the opposing leg. Opposing leg, and it's a very powerful leg because now you get a very clean risk to reward. We come back up here, guys, to the 50. Watch. We even drew this one up. So my brother right here, Surfing Trends, one of my mods, he drew this one up. Okay. So we came back up here, watch closely, and we collapse. Okay. So That is the bear now. And now watch this. Now the bear, where does the bear want to go? Where the bear wants to, remember where we're looking for, right? 0.169. This is the buy zone right there. So the bear comes into the buy zone right here. Okay, check this out. Okay, we come exactly to the 272. Now take it up. Okay, a little bit of chop, but we eventually get the bull stepping in. Love your strategy, plus 1K in 5 days trading the micros using your indicators and the fib. That's amazing, brother. Okay, guys. So do you see that? You see it? Look. Okay, we started off here. Bull leg, completion up here, reversal, bear leg, completion here, reversal. This is my masterpiece. Hit me with a 5 if your mind is blown right now. It's just beautiful. Today is the Fibonacci is just dancing over everybody today and showing you its power, guys. Whether you're taking a pullback, whether you're taking the reversal, all of these setups will always be better than the breakouts. And the reason is because you are doing the opposite of what the chart is doing. And that's how you make money. When it's coming down, you're buying calls. When it's going up, you're shorting. It doesn't matter if you're right or wrong, because when you hit it, you're going to make money. And that's exactly what we show in the small account challenge. That's why I do this challenge, guys, to show you. This is why me and my brother are doing this, to show you, look, we have a very small risk. We're getting in long here, here, here. Look how small the risk is, but look at the reward. The reward is the green. Okay? And look, that's the profit right there. It's beautiful, guys. I'm telling you, man, this is why I do this. It gets me energized to share with you something that can transform your life. That's what it's about. All right. So there we go. I'm done. Thank you very much, guys. Hit me with a 10 if you enjoyed the stream. Okay. Hit me with a 10 if you enjoyed the stream. And as always, guys, if you're interested, listen to me. If you get value from me, if my free post, if my free indicators have given you value and you feel like you want to support me, then sign up for my room. That's my ask. If you didn't get value, I'm not asking for nothing. If you feel like Rich gives free indicators, he gives me videos every day, I made money from him, and you want to support, check us out at tradingwars.com, guys. Grab a copy of the Fib book. Okay, it has basically 69 pages, 50 charts, and there's a new section added to the book about the options. Okay, I've been trying to raise the price, but I haven't been able to get the code from PayPal yet. It's all good. It's probably meant to be this way for a reason. Okay, so grab the book. You can trade with us live tomorrow. All right, hit me with a 1 if you have the book right now. Hit me with a 1 if you have the book and you appreciate it. Hit me with a 1. All right, and then I also have the SPY book, which is all about SPY for those who just trade SPY. Okay, this is our most recent book. Otherwise, you can sign up directly right here on the main page. Okay. Otherwise than that, I want to thank you very much for your time, my friends. I really hope that I was able to educate you and give you something that's going to help you have a better chance of achieving your dreams and being profitable. That's my purpose. That's why I created Trading Wars. So thank you very much for your time. And please enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to comment. You'll have a chance to win the giveaway on Sunday. Print out this chart and study it. This is the best chart that I could think of in recent time that really displays the power of the Fibonacci. All right. Thank you, guys. And I will see you again tomorrow.